just purchased this from Amazon. This is from Veken. It does not come with the tools. It comes with what you need. These two. Comes with this. This has some instructions. Alright, so we're gonna remove the toilet seat. We also have to turn off the water. Then we're gonna flush the toilet. So we're going to use our wet vac to remove the excess water. Alright, so now we're just gonna use our flat screwdriver to remove the seat. And it has a flat washer on the back. So we're just gonna hold that, unscrew it. This is really easy, guys. So now we just have to remove the water line. So this is the adapter. We're gonna put the adapter up here. The most important part is just having this piece at the right angle. Alright, here it is. So I used the wrench to just make this a little tighter to avoid any leak. This is hand tying. And now we're gonna get the hose from the bidet. Then we plug it, screw into this side right here. Just hand tightening as much as I can. Alright, so all that's left is just this is gonna connect to the bidet somewhere like down here. This bidet is fairly easy. You don't even need to remove the toilet seat. You simply just have to loosen it up and then we slide this under it, okay? But since I didn't read the instructions, I'm gonna have to do it the other way. Making sure that this is in the center of the bowl. Okay. Basically just slides in, okay, and then this is the bottom piece which goes with this right here. See, it has a rubber gasket in there, so all we do is just screw it in. And we're gonna use our wrench. Got the clips right here, goes into this hole, okay. And there you go. Now we turn the water back on and check for leaks. Okay, so here it is. Installed. It moves pretty well. Not a lot of movement, but and it self-clean. Can't show you the other one because it's gonna spray me. But so it's been a couple days since this was installed. Had a little leak down here, so you have to make sure that this is really tight. You just turn it all the way until it stops. I also noticed that you can make adjustments back here. So you just loosen the plastic screw, loosen it up, and you can move these two in and out. And the reason I'm saying this is inside the toilet, you can adjust this piece right here. And I've noticed that it was just too far back. It wasn't hitting the right area and whatnot. But you want to be careful not to push it too far in front. And even though this has a cleaning, self-cleaning button, you want to be careful how close it is, because when you have an explosion, this little button is not going to clean it. I guarantee you. I speak from experience. Overall, it's really good. The pressure is not as strong as like the other one that I have downstairs. I have a Tushy. The pressure, it's insane on the one downstairs. So it could be that the water line is coming up here and the pressure is reduced, or it could just be that this doesn't provide enough pressure. But we'll see how long it lasts. But yeah. Thanks for watching.